Got here some gourmet Tuyo, brothers, sisters, from these people from Buen Sabor, brother. And I know when you put some dried fish in that Munggo dish, it's gonna be good, bro. And you know what they say? It's so easy, it's crazy, brother. Let's go. Welcome back to my show. Everything's easy, it's so crazy, man. Shit, let's go. Boom, you know what it is. I got here this Munggo swimming out here in this little ass pan full of water because I washed these motherfuckers, man. You gotta take off that, things that float on top. You gotta drain that out. After you drain that out, boil this motherfucker some water. And that's about it. But anyway, guys, this is what we're about to do right now. We're about to put some oil, some used oil in this pan right here. Ginamit ko tong oil na to kahapon nung may in-experimento na naman akong dinipray ko na bagay-bagay. And I don't want to waste that oil, brother. Tapos meron tayo ditong, we have some onions, we have some garlic, we have a little bit of a ginger out here. We have some tomatoes. We about to saute this things. Oh, suka dun, babe, kasi tatalsikan ka nito for sure. So, lagay mo na lahat yan. Huwag ka nang mag-atubili, brother. Because this for Friday afternoon lunchtime. And Munggo is good for a Friday afternoon lunchtime, brother. So, sutay mo lang yung mga kamatis mo, yung mga garlic mo, yung mga onions mo. Saka mo na lahat yan, guys. That's gonna be A-okay. Tapos imbis na baboy yung lalagay natin, lalagay tayo ng gourmet Tuyo. I'm gonna get some, pork out here, brother. Itong gourmet Tuyo na to, galing to kay Buen Sabor. Thank you very much, Buen Sabor, for this wonderful bowl of gourmet Tuyo. Tinikman ko na to kagabi kaya nakabukas na, tsaka medyo ganito kasi nilagay ko talaga sa rep. I'm gonna put this here. There you go. Lagay din tayo na itong
Lagay mo na lahat.
Lagay ko pa lahat? Hindi pwede. Kasi lagay na natin lahat.
Tinira mo isang piraso.
Lagay na natin lahat. Lagay na natin lahat.
Yung gagawin mo sa isang piraso, gagawin mong palaman.
Ito gagawin ko tong shot glass. Buen Sabor, salamat din pala sa shot glass na binigay nyo sa amin. Ang ganda ng bote nyo. Medyo malupit-lupit yung binigay ni Buen Sabor. Ayan. Na natin yung apoy para hindi tayo matunog. Ayan. Medyo kakaibang Munggo to. Friday afternoon. We got the mung beans out here, brother. This is what you call this in English, brother. Some mung beans. And what I just put out here, for y'all niggas don't know how to speak Tagalog, is what they call dried fish. And some oil out here, bro. Dried fish drenched in some oil and ball. Or ball dried fish, if you may. But this is just some mung beans, brother. Put here in the oil out here. There you go, there you go. Twist that around a little bit. There you go. Put a little bit of hot water out here, boy. That's it. Some hot water in that thing. Boom. We can add more water later on if this thing doesn't, you know, coagulate that much, if you know what I mean. Our show, brother. So what we gonna do about this thing is we about to taste test this dried fish Munggo that we doing right now. We're about to taste this out. A little bit of that, you know, crushed black pepper. A little bit of that crushed black pepper, brother. Some chicken bouillon cube. Yan, lagay mo lang yan dyan. Boom. There you go. Babanatan mo lang yan. Mawawala siya dyan sa niluluto mo ngayon. Yan. Yan. Halo mo siya dyan. Go. Gourmet Tuyo Munggo dish from Buen Sabor. Or should I say Gourmet Munggo Tuyo or Gourmet Sam with some tuyo. I know. There you go. I think this is the moment we add a little bit of that water that I'm telling you about earlier. There you go. And in between yan sa malapot. Actually, ilagay na natin to lahat. Yan. Mukha lang siyang maraming ano ngayon. Mukha lang siyang maraming sabaw ngayon. Pero mamaya, yung sabaw na yan mauubos pag nag-evaporate na yan sa hangin. Kaya yung mukha mo, huwag mong igaganyan kasi lahat ng evaporated flavor nito mapupunta sa mukha mo. Tapos yung mukha mo, maglalasan munggo na rin. So what we gonna do here is wait for this munggo to cook a little bit, and we gonna put a lid on this thing so it don't evaporate everything, bro. There we go. So we are about to check our food. This has been simmering out here for almost 1 hour already. So let's check it out, boy. Damn, look at that. Look at that, bang. Saktong-sakto lang. So yung gagawin natin dito is kailangan muna natin siyang tikman kasi syempre nag-simmer down to eh. Medyo kumunti yung mga ano, so lumakas-lakas yung mga lasa nito. So tignan natin kung kaya pa natin lagyan ng mga patis, ng salt, since gumamit na nga tayo ng salted fish. So let's check it out first, bro. Just a little bit of patis. So this what I'm using right now is patis flavored patis, brother. Just a little bit, just a dash there, just a dash there, brother. Perfect. Ang tinatawag dito, guys, dahon ng ampalaya. So we about to add that into the mix. Ang dahon ng ampalaya natin. There we go. Ina-add lagi yung vegetables pag patapos na yung dish para hindi siya masyadong naduduro. Tsaka para makita-kita mo pa rin siya. Kahit pa paano. There we go. Add tayo ng konting-konting tubig. Konting-konting tubig lang. Yan. Saktong-sakto na yan, guys. Nagpalambot pa kasi tayo ng munggo rito sa mix natin eh. Ganda ng kulay niyo. Yan. So this off the heat already. So yan, lalagyan na natin siya ng pinaka-hinihintay natin. Chicharon! Everybody loves chicharon and they about to taste this chicharon, brother. See what it tastes like, if it's good or not. So crunchy indeed. There we go. Dudurugin na natin siya konti para hindi masyado malaki. out. On. Okay.
Paano yung mukha? Paano yung mukha?
Yan. 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 Nakalahati yung chicharon natin. So, sasaboy lang natin siya sa taas. Saboy lang natin. Yan, no? You know. Go. Ito natin. Perfect combination. This dish smells so good, bro. This dish is so easy. It's crazy, bro. Buen Sabor, extra Munggo, and a lot of chicharon, brother. That's how you eat Munggo if you don't really like to eat some vegetables. And I only spent 50 pesos on this meal. Buen Sabor Gourmet Tuyo. Some chicharon and a lot of flavor, brother. So excited, bro. Here you go. So I'm about to try this dish, man. We're using this paper plate because I'm very lazy to wash some dishes after cooking, bro. So anyway, I got here some mung beans with some chicharon and some gourmet tuyo from Buen Sabor, brothers and sisters. Oh, you know, put that on my rice. Get this greens. Get some of this chicharon butter. A lot of rice. So good! Galit! Dala pala nun. Ang dala pala nun. Kumain na kayo, babe. Tama na yung bitin natin.